ito nakita natin, no? Yung Caloocan jumped out to an 8-5 lead. But maganda yung naging bawi ng Negros. Slowly but surely nahanap nila yung rhythm nila dito.
It was a good thing also in the first set. You could see that the Blue Hawks, medyo placement lang yung hits nila, and then that's why Caloocan was really fighting in this set. But also, we have to credit not just our queen of the court, but also the libero, the setters. It was really a good teamwork for this squad here in the first set.
And Lopez also contributing very well for Negros. And na-impress tayo, no? Sa simula na magkabilang kupunan, no? Because we expected jitters, especially this is the very first tournament of the Maharlika Pilipinas Volleyball Association. Pero nakita natin, no? Talagang pinaghandaan. Hindi lang basta pumasok para maglaro. They really prepared for this one, guys.
And you could see that they enjoyed this their first ever MPVA. So here in set 2, you could see more powerful hits, more connections with each other, and also more gelling, if I can say. And you can see Habakon from the front line to the back line. She's been contributing really well in this game.
At ito, set number 3. Maganda rin naman nagsimula ng Caloocan, Rhea Manalo and Yeye Gabarda combining forces, trying to keep Caloocan in this, but itong Negros proving to be the much stronger team, at least on this night, guys.
Yes, hopefully we see more of Caloocan and the Blue Hawks improving here in the MP